What's up, everybody? Got another video here for you. We got I'm gonna do some growth and decay problems. Of course, you can see this is a growth problem, but it says a bacterial colony grows according to the model P of t equals 2000 times e raised to the 0.05 t, where P of t is the population at time t hours. How long will it take for the population to reach 6,000? All right, so basically we want to know how long will it be. So how many hours? So t is in hours. So how many hours will it be when you got to find out what number you have to plug in for t so that the population is 6,000. All right. So in other words, we want to know, when does our function here, 2000 e to the 0.05 t, when does this equal the 6,000? What do we have to plug in for t? That's what we're looking for. So we have to solve this thing for t. So, well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to divide everything by 2000. And so that's going to give us, and I'm going to write the e to the 0.05 t. I'm going to write that on the left-hand side. Equals, and then 6,000 divided by 2,000 is just 3. All right. Now we got to solve for t. So all this is just solving an exponential equation. So to do that, we'll take the natural log of both sides. That equals a natural log of 3. And so the left-hand side becomes 0.05 t equals natural log 3. All right, so you might be wondering, well, what happened over here on the left-hand side? What happened to ln and e? Okay, so let's go over here to the side and just explain that real quick. So if you have, this is a log formula, the log of b to the x with base b is equal to x. So in other words, if the base of the exponent and the base of the log are the same, then your answer is just your exponent. Okay, so keep that in mind. And then the second thing is the natural log of x is equal to the log of x with base e. So basically what we do here, instead of writing log base e, we take this part here and we just abbreviate it as ln. Okay, so natural log is the same thing as log base e. So you can see over here we have the natural log of e to the 0.05 t. Okay, that's what we have. Now remember, that's the same thing. ln is the same thing as log base e of e to the 0.05 t. Okay, and you see how the base of the exponent and the base of the log are the same? That goes to this formula. That is just equal to your exponent. And that's where the 0.05 t comes from. All right. All right, and so now we're going to divide both sides by 0.05. And so we get t is equal to the natural log of 3 over 0.05. And so that is going to give us t is equal to, let's see, natural log of 3 times divided by 0.05, and that is 21.97, and t is in hours. As they told us here, t is hours. And so we get 21.97 hours, just rounded to 2 decimal places. And there you have it. You can see it's not that difficult. So I hope this helped. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.